Hello dear students. In this session, I will talk about microprocessor, microcontroller and their comparison. Let us talk about microprocessor. It is a general purpose device which can be called as CPU on chip. There are various manufacturing companies of microprocessor such as Intel, Motorola. Intel series starts from 4004 up to Pentium. As I said, it is a CPU on chip. It consists of ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, which can perform arithmetic and logical operations, registers, and timing and control unit. You can see here microprocessor on chip on the motherboard. Microprocessors are evolved having the data capacity of 4 bits up to 64 bits. They are also evolved to speed up the processing by using pipelining, superscalar architecture, which means having several ALUs and on-chip cache memories. Now let us see microcontrollers. Microcontroller is on-chip computer. It comprises of CPU, RAM, ROM, timing and control unit, and I/O ports. Microcontrollers are used in embedded systems. Now let us discuss the common features of microprocessor and microcontroller. Both have small size, so the terminology micro is used. If we consider the cost, according to the evolution, complexity is increased but the cost is reduced. They have higher reliability, which is not decreased due to the increase in complexity. They also have higher versatility. It means keeping the same hardware by adding various softwares, we can use them for numerous applications. These are the common features of microprocessor and microcontroller. Now let us see the comparison between microprocessor and microcontroller. As I said, microprocessor has memory and I/O devices connected externally. Microcontroller have CPU, memory, I/O devices present internally. Microprocessors have high speed in gigahertz, whereas microcontrollers have low speed in megahertz. Memory capacity in microprocessor is high, in microcontroller it is low. Data handling capacity is more in microprocessor, whereas it is low in microcontroller. Cost is high in microprocessor, whereas it is low in microcontroller. Power consumption is high in microprocessor, which is low in microcontroller. If we consider the applications, microprocessors are used in desktops, laptop, PCs, servers, whereas microcontrollers are used in embedded systems. If we consider the embedded system, it is a combination of hardware and software for a specific application. For an example, microcontrollers are used in consumer electronics to make toys, camera, robots. If we consider consumer products, they are used in washing machine, microwave oven. For an example, in instrumentation system, it is used in oscilloscope, medical equipments. In process control, it is used in data acquisition and control, and many more. I hope this video will give you clear understanding of the difference in microprocessor and microcontroller. Thank you.